Hello and welcome, it's Gillykube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a pour on a 60 by 30 centimetre canvas. That little sign there, focus on the good, live in the moment. It's kind of wanting to be my mantra of late, and I think it should be kind of, everybody should have that on their mind. Got to keep doing what gives us joy. So obviously I am in my art room painting my little heart out. So this one's going to be a split colour pour, basically splitting the canvas diagonal. That I'm using is just the Global Impasto Black mixed with the pouring medium that I would normally mix, and that description of the pouring medium is in the drop down box underneath this video, and also there is links to beginners video, mixing paints video, varnishing videos. It's all in the drop down box. So just putting this coat on with my lovely offset spatula, which I'm just so enjoying. See how nice and quick and easy it is to cover your canvas. I'm not sure these would be sold on Amazon, I'm pretty sure. But that's what I'm doing at the moment. So I'm doing a voiceover because the day I was doing this, my husband had got the mower going outside and it was pretty noisy. So hence the voiceover. So here we go for the white on that side. I am now just adding some titanium white by Amsterdam with floetrol, because just those mixture of titanium paints with Aussie floetrol just seem to have a little bit of a magic effect if you want lacing. You can definitely do this with other paints and floetrol or the glue and silicone mix. It still works, but I'm just sort of blowing those edges out now to soften it all, so get rid of this sort of sharpness on those edges. And then I'll bring my other colours in. I have just added the gold global metallic paint, and now I'm adding, this is global paint again, this is the orange, to hopefully that's going to turn out a beautiful composition with the lovely colours. Now that I'm adding there is my Berry Delicious, which is a mix of the deep red with phthalo blue. And if you want it to go even more cherry, deep black cherry, then add a little bit of black. But that one was mixed with floetrol I had in that, but all the rest of the paints have got my pouring medium that I discuss underneath this video. That's the cool red, too cool for school. I have now added some burnt umber, which has got black in it, so that's that browny colour you see. Now this one is the PBO paint Iridescent Blue, which are really sparkly, yeah, just a gorgeous colour blue, and that's by PBO, and that's what I'm hoping will give it the pop that I want. And of course that's a little bit more of the floetrol with the Amsterdam paint to blow this out and hopefully just really make this really make it pop. As you see, I am now continuing to straw blow it out, so kind of like a Dutch pour but under a little bit more control when you have a straw. So that's just a stainless steel straw with a silicone end that I can kind of bend. So now I'm doing the Aussie slides in that. That's again put in that little bit of Australian floetrol and Amsterdam paint that I have in that container, to create some lovely lacing effects, and just yeah, as you see, just making some nice wisps in it to just soften it all. And now here I come in with the balloon magic. Oh, it's just my most favourite part to do on my art, because every time that you can be quite amazed at the effects that the humble balloon can give you, just lift your whole piece of art to another level, I believe, and I just enjoy it. And if you haven't, give it a go, don't knock it, because yeah, it's definitely something joyful to do. So yeah, continue watching. I'm going to just continue on with the balloon, and hopefully really make this piece stand out. It is gorgeous already looking at it. Obviously from this perspective now, looking down on it, it doesn't look as lovely as it does in real life, but it is just coming to life now with that balloon work. So as you can see, I've come in just with that's just an ordinary size balloon with a bit of water in it to give it a little bit of weight. and I just continue on embellishing it where I feel it needs to be embellished. I've kind of lost a bit of the colours there, so I will try and correct that, and I'll bring you down with the camera to see what I end up doing with this little piece, but I'm very happy with it. Woo-hoo-hoo. What a beauty, beauty, beauty this has turned out to be. Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. I'm getting a lot of reflection back, but it is just gorgeous. There you go. I didn't want to talk through it because I didn't know how it was going to come out. I didn't know what I was going to do. I just let my creative juices flow on the 60 by 30 centimetre canvas, and it is just stunning. So I will whiz over it with my little heat wand, and hopefully the drying gods will be with me and it will dry just as beautiful. So thank you so much for joining me. I'll be here again tomorrow. Yeah, let me know what you thought of this. I loved doing it. It was so enjoyable. So I'm happy. So stay safe, people, and create. Until tomorrow, bye for now.